Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up personal voice on your iPhone. So personal voice creates digital voice clone for users that are at risk of speech loss. So let's open settings on your iPhone and let's select section accessibility. Now let's go to speech section, and here you want to tap on personal voice. Okay, so now you want to press button create personal voice. Let's press continue button, and now you want to record some phrases. So you'll see on screen prompts. So you want to select language. I'll go with English. You want to give your voice a name. Let's tap continue. Some instructions that you have to find a quiet place and speak naturally. Focus on your performance. And additionally, you can select phrase preference if it's default length, which is recommended, or you can shorten it to this one. Let's press continue, and now you want to read those 150 phrases out loud. So you want to press this red button in order to start recording. So simply read those lines on your screen. But do not worry, you don't have to record those 150 all at once. You can always tap done at the top part of your screen and then come back later when it is convenient for you. Okay, so your device after this will generate your voice, which requires to be locked. Your device has to be locked and also plugged into power. So your voice is processed usually from 8 to 16 hours, which could be done overnight. And of course, you will receive a push notification when your personal voice will be ready to use. Okay, and now how to basically use your personal voice. When you get that notification that your voice is created, you're gonna go to accessibility section, and now let's find live speech, section live speech, and let's enable it. And here under the section preferred voices, you have to select your personal voice. Okay, and how to basically use this live speech on, for example, FaceTime call or whatever that you want to read out loud by using your voice. All you're gonna do is triple click the side button, which is your power button on your right side of your device, and then you will see a window on the bottom side of the screen prompting you to type a message. And when you press enter button, you will hear AI generated version of your voice. Yes, so if you are, let's suppose that you are in a loud place and the people that you're talking with cannot hear you, so you can use this live speech feature. So that is basically it, and I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.